Welcome. Today, we're going to show you a smarter way to build your deals. In QuoteX, we've made it possible to sell AI agents with the same ease and structure as you sell human resources. This means you can add an agent to a project line item, assign it a rate, and include it in your resource planning, just like a consultant or a developer. But before we dive into the how, let's take a moment to meet our agents and understand their specific roles and descriptions. First is Forge. This isn't a developer. It's a high-concurrency protocol. Forge synthesizes clean Apex code and Lightning components directly from specifications. Forget hourly billing. Forge measures effort based on instruction volume and logic complexity. It handles the heavy lifting of coding and automated testing, working entirely outside the limits of human fatigue. Next, the Blueprint agent bridges the gap between conversation and execution. It ingests discovery sessions from Zoom or Slack to instantly generate user stories and process diagrams. Its effort is calculated by semantic clustering and mapping density, ensuring your project backlog is built at the speed of thought, not the speed of typing. Then we have Scribe, our real-time metadata tracker. Scribe ensures your documentation is never out of date by automatically mapping every field and object as they are created. It views effort as metadata node counts, turning the tedious task of writing manuals and release notes into a synchronous data transformation. Finally, the Vigil agent is our 24/7 validation layer. It runs continuous regression tests and LLM as a judge audits to prevent system drift. Vigil calculates effort through computational cycles and stress test density, providing a level of security and catch-all testing that human QA teams simply can't match in real time. Now, let's build the deal. We're estimating a warranty adjudication project for Salesforce Automotive Cloud. This involves everything from DMS repair order intake to automated claim approval and a custom admin portal. Now, we let QuoteX Gen AI take over. By leveraging public LLMs, the system already understands our specific agent roles and their unique responsibilities. With one click, it maps our automotive warranty requirements directly to the right resources. It's autonomously generating every user story, complete with accurate story points, without a second of manual effort. Watch as the backlog builds itself, perfectly aligned with our agent's capabilities. How does it know which agent to use? The QuoteX engine performs a semantic match between the story's technical requirements and our agent's core protocols. It doesn't just guess, it analyzes the intent and complexity of each story to ensure the right digital resource is billed to the right task, aligning perfectly with our automotive cloud requirements. Finally, we trigger the smart timeline builder. In seconds, QuoteX synchronizes our AI agent's effort with a project schedule, instantly calculating the total net fees. No more manual spreadsheets or weeks of estimation. We've just mapped a complex automotive cloud project to high-speed digital resources, giving us a precise, ready-to-sign quote in record time. Now, look at the bottom line. Because these agents operate on a usage-based monthly cost rather than hourly human wages, the bill rates are significantly lower. We aren't just saving time, we're slashing the total net fees for the entire project. In QuoteX, we've effectively replaced high-cost manual labor with high-efficiency digital resources. The result? A complex automotive cloud deployment delivered in a fraction of the time, at a price point that traditional teams simply cannot match.